Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So listen, you guys, the recent episode of Uthando Nesthembu Uncut, I really did have to go and watch it a couple of times, especially that scene between Musamselegu and Umpumelelo, because it was a weird scene. It really felt like these are people that haven't really had a conversation in a while, but they knew that they have committed to shoot a scene on this reality TV show and they want to present a certain picture, so they might as well sit down and shoot this scene. So it felt weird. And honestly, I watched it a number of times because I was like, I'm hoping that I'm getting this wrong, because one relationship that has been consistent is a relationship between Musamselegu and Umpumelelo. In effect, that Musamselegu has always made it clear that he would like for Umpumelelo to carry on whatever his vision is, because sometimes, guys, I feel like that what we think is Musamselegu's vision might not be Musamselegu's vision. So to hear Musamselegu talking about how him and Pumelelo are not in a good space, I was like, listen, what happened? However, you guys, if you go back to season 8, really the signs were there, because a number of times Umpumelelo would make comments about how he would have loved his dad to handle certain situations different. There was even a video that I did where I was like, listen, you guys, I hope that I'm wrong, but sometimes I feel like Umpumelelo cannot wait for his father to be out of the way so that he can be the one that makes the rules emzini wakamsile. So now to see that maybe even in reality their relationship might be at that place where it feels like they are stepping on each other. Umpumelelo feels like ubaba is not doing it into the way that he is supposed to do them, and then Musamselegu feels like Umpumelelo is overstepping because he is still here and he says, listen, as soon as I'm gone, you'll take over, but for now, let me focus on my family and you focus on yours. The disappointing part for me, you guys, during that scene was what Musamselegu said in the diary session when he was being asked about what happened between him and Pumelelo. And I hate the fact that even though this is an uncut part of the show where they are really supposed to give us explanations and background information, they didn't when it comes to this one issue I'm going to talk about. Musamselegu said that he realized that Mayeni, when they are having conflicts and they are talking, Mayeni will be recording him. That, you guys, I really cannot tell if Musamselegu really means that Mayeni will be like pressing a record on the phone when they speak, or he just means that everything that they talk about, she keeps it so that she can tell Umpumelelo. So he said that he realized that Umayeni does that. And then one day when they were talking with Mpumelelo, Mpumelelo mentioned to Guti, you know what, Dad, I really don't want to say a lot because I feel like the only person that you care about is Makuman. I was disappointed at that part of their conversation. And it wasn't even part of the conversation. It was after, because he was asked after Mpumelelo had left and he was asked in the diary session. I feel like, you guys, Musamselegu knows that there has always been tension between Umayeni and Makhumalo. If there are two wives that will be the hardest to bring together, it will be Umakhumalo and Mayeni. And Musamselegu has always tried to convince us that he wants peace between his wives. He wants them to communicate. He even said last season that the issue that he was having with Mayeni was that when she needs something, especially when it comes to the diesel, I don't know if it's diesel or petrol, or no, it was insurance. When it comes to the car insurance, when he wants her to speak to Makhumalo, Mayeni would not want to speak to Makhumalo directly. He knows that there is tension between those two. Those are the two wives that will be the hardest to bring together in terms of them fixing their relationship. They already have issues between the two of them. Okay, and season 8 was not easy. It made their relationship even worse. Okay, now with Musamselegu now mentioning that when he was talking to Pumelelo, Pumelelo said this, I was like, even if Umakhumalo did not know this before this uncut went on screens, now she's going to hear about it. Is this going to help her relationship with Mayeni, her relationship with Mpumelelo? No. Because if you think that my husband cares for me, then he cares about your mother, that is going to create tension between Makhumalo and Mpumelelo. And Makhumalo and Mpumelelo guys had a really good relationship. Of course, every family has issues, okay? Even when you get along with your siblings, you might have things that you don't like about them, but you can still manage to get along with your siblings, with your cousins, with your aunts, with your family. So even with Abantu Bakamseleko, there's always something that maybe they might not agree on, but the bottom line is that if they need to be around each other as family and support each other, they will do that. That is what Mpumelelo did when Umakhumalo had Umembeso, and she needed support and she was panicking, and they had lost the key to this one house where the alcohol was and all of that, and Mpumelelo was there for Makhumalo, and that's the relationship that they have showed us. I feel like now, after season 8, a relationship kamakhumalo no Mayeni is not doing so well. And I feel like after season 8 or during season 8, Umakhumalo was seeing things Umseleko that she wasn't liking. The fact that Umseleko would take the opportunity to throw her under the bus just because they are not agreeing on some things. He even revealed that Umakhumalo privately, she would talk about the other wives and vent about the other wives, but when they are all together, she would act all like she is good and okay with everybody, but when it's private, then she'll be like, you know what, I don't like this, you must talk about this when we are together and all of that. He revealed that something that they do privately with Makhumalo, he revealed to the group. Now it's the conversation he had with Mpumelelo. What I didn't like was the fact that the editors did not give us the background, the context of that conversation. What was Musamseleko saying to Mpumelelo for Mpumelelo to say, listen, I don't want to have this conversation because what I have noticed about you is that you only care about Makhumalo. Because if they gave us a background of what was happening, where did that conversation start, we would be able to make a decision on whether Mpumelelo had a point when he was saying that Musamseleko only cares about Makhumalo. But even if they did give us a background, I still think that it wasn't something that he needed to mention. You already have tension between Makhumalo and Mayeni, and that was made worse when Makhumalo called Mayeni delusional. Then Umayeni last season, she found out that when she thought that Makhumalo was a maid, Kamselegu, who had come, or a nanny who had come to take care of the kids, Makhumalo was already Mjolweni no Babumselegu. All of that, it has caused tension between Makhumalo and Mayeni. Why would you bring that up, that Mayeni's son said that about Makhumalo? Because we cannot run away from the fact that if those children really had to have or choose somebody to defend in this whole family, each child will choose their mother. So each child will choose to defend their mother. Yes, they love all of their mothers, but biologically they know who their biological mom is. And if they had to defend somebody, they are obviously going to defend their biological moms. And we all know that during season 8, Mayeni was not happy. She was not happy. She even moved back home because she had just had an operation and she wasn't getting support. And there was this man who had just had a stroke and everybody wanted everyone to take care of this man. But she also had her own issues. All of those things, Mayeni's children are seeing these things. They are seeing that their mother is not happy. Their mother is not being taken care of. Their mother is on TV screaming at their father because of the frustration that she is feeling in that relationship. There is no child that is going to watch their mother being unhappy and they're going to be like, but I favor this other mom. No, they're always going to support their mom. So maybe because Mpumelelo is closer to the situation, he must have seen some things where he felt like Dad really doesn't really care that much about my mom. Maybe he cares more about Makhumalo, and ended up saying that to his father. The fact that Musamselegu felt that it was appropriate to mention it in the diary session, it felt for me that he wanted to misdirect the attention, because the attention is on him right now. You have gone and bought your wives houses in different suburbs. How the hell are you going to manage it? Okay, the attention is on him. Okay, what are you going to do with number 5? Is he going to come and stay Mzumba? What is going to happen now? The attention is on him, but it's almost like he wanted everybody now to now pay attention to Mayeni versus Makhumalo situation. And also for some reason now we must think that there is tension between Makhumalo and Phumelelo. I don't know, you guys. I feel like Musamselegu, if he gets the opportunity to throw a wife under the bus, he will do it. But now we are seeing that when he gets the opportunity, he will throw his children under the bus to fix whatever it is that he needs to fix with his wife. I feel like for both Musamselegu and Makhumalo, the fact that they are not in agreement according to what we see on the show, because the reality might be different. The fact that they are standing on ground that is unfamiliar in terms of they are not getting along, that is not something that we have seen on Uthando Nesthembu. Even when all the other wives have issues with Musamselegu, Makhumalo will be supportive of Musamselegu. So now he is trying to do everything that he can to fix things with Makhumalo, but he is doing it at the expense of Mayeni and Mpumelelo, and that is going to affect their relationship. I don't understand why he's doing it, but he is doing it. I feel like for me, Musamselegu uyixoki, because he did not need to bring up the fact that Mpumelelo had said that about Khumalo, because that is not going to help a relationship kama Khumalo kanye no Mpumelelo. Anyway, you guys, tell me in the comment section what you think about this. Like the video before Pumega and share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Nginithanda kakhulu.